in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit is one of those units I would consider a throw on and go, but you can be the judge of that. Before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Tan Dotson. I always tell you guys to follow me over there because I typically show the units over there first before they even come onto YouTube. And I also do, like, I think they're cute little reels with the units, so I want to show you guys those, or I want you guys to see them. But I mean, I could probably just upload them as shorts over here on YouTube. Do you guys use shorts or watch the shorts? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. That's not what we're talking about. I'm so sorry. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Pop, it's showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Shut up, I'm wearing Cuban links. Designer mix. Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blue. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. There's so many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be trying to keep up. Hands on it. Put your pinky rings up to the. Look at it. Second verse for the hustlers, gangsters, bad bitches, and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach, I cannot preach. I gotta show them how a pimp get it in. First, take your sip, do your pimp, spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, we too fresh. Got your payment on cases. Hashtag best. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man.
So as you just saw, she's pretty easy going, right? A throw in and go, like I stated earlier. Obviously, I did fluff her up a bit and I did take some scissors to her just to shape her up just a tad bit. I feel like I could go in with some scissors a little bit more and shape her up a little bit more, but I don't know, I think she's cute how she is. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the specs of this unit. And at first I was gonna say I don't really know where to start, but you guys probably want to know the name of her, right? Yeah, okay, so this is their fabulous mixed color curly bob wig with bangs. I feel like LuvMe Hair has some of the longest names for some of their units, but anyways, according to the website, this unit comes in two lengths, one being the 12-inch and the other being the 14-inch. I have the 14-inch. This unit is also 100% virgin hair from one donor. It can last up to 1 or more years. It's supposed to be 200% density. The color blend on this unit is obviously a mixed color of 1B, 4, and a 27. It says it can be dyed. I mean, if it's 100% human hair, of course it can be dyed. And it says that it has the adjustable straps in it. Obviously I showed you those earlier, and the circumference of this unit comes in a 22.5 inches, which is the standard medium for them. The cap construction of this unit is pretty much your typical cap construction with 3 combs in total, one of the combs being in the back, the other 2 being in the front on each side. It also has the adjustable straps like the specs mentioned, and it also has the security band in it. I personally always love a unit that has the security band in it because that kind of signals to me that a unit can be worn as glueless. I mean, obviously this one is going to be worn as glueless because there is no lace. So if you are someone who is not necessarily comfortable with cutting off lace, melting lace, doing this, that, and the third with it, you don't have to worry about it with this unit because she is very beginner friendly because she has no lace. Now the circumference of this unit says that it's a 22.5 inch. Again, it's their standard medium, which is kind of surprising to me because if you're not new to the channel, then you know that I think I have a big head, or maybe it could be because I have a lot of hair. And currently I do have my hair braided straight back versus the twist that I typically do. And anyways, I say all that to say this unit is fitting on my head very, very, very comfortably. So I'm like, do I have a big head or do I just have a lot of hair? My mom says I just have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna just listen to my mama. But yeah, this unit is what I would consider big head friendly. The color blend on this unit is, to me, chef's kiss. At first, when I first pulled her out of the package, I was just like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna like this unit. I don't think I'm gonna like the color, because I think it would be too close to the color of my own skin tone. But actually, she's giving. I think she's giving. I think the color blend is very well done. The texture of this unit is very silky, and I mean, I guess it's kind of expected from the way that it looks, but I just kind of wish it was a little bit more coarse, if you will. I feel like that would have taken the unit to the next level. Now, it says that this unit is a 200% density, and I don't know if I necessarily agree with that. To me, it's feeling more so of a 150, 180%. I would probably give it 180%, just because of, I can feel like tracks, and it just feels super lightweight. If it is 200%, If it is 200% density, I do apologize, but like, I don't know, to me it just feels like extremely, extremely light, and I can feel tracks, but I don't necessarily think you can see them. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, like I always am. When I opened the package for this unit and I looked at her, I was just like, I'm not going to like her. I don't want her on my head. She's not going to be cute. I even called my granny and I was complaining to my granny about the unit. But I am currently eating my words, because after I washed her, then I let her air dry, and then once putting her on and fluffing her, yeah, I feel like she's giving. She's definitely giving. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. For the 12-inch, she is costing $109.90, $110. And for the 14-inch, which is what I have, she's costing $119.90, $120. But the great thing about LuvMe here is that they do offer Afterpay, Klarna, and Zip as well, which means you can pay in 4 separate installments. Another great thing is that I do have a coupon code that you can use, which can help lower the price of that unit even more. And I don't remember how much it saves you, but I'll have it here across the screen, so feel free to use it. But yeah, like I stated earlier, she's definitely a throw on and go type of unit, which means she's very beginner friendly, which also means any and everybody could rock her, or at least in my opinion, any and everybody could rock her. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Why you mad? Fix your